In this lesson, we're going to review the upper, lower, and proper formula in Microsoft Excel. The upper, lower, and proper formula are formula that allow you to change the case sizing in Excel for the text that you have written. The upper formula, as it suggests, changes the text to become capitalized. The lower formula, on the other hand, changes the text to become lowercase, and the proper formula changes the text to capitalize only the first letter and lowercase the rest of the word. And that's applied to the whole sentence. So if you want to capitalize each word's first letter, then you would use the proper formula. So let's take a look at the formula explanation. So in this case, we're evaluating just text, and the formula just has one syntax. The process is to use either the upper, lower, or proper formula, and then click on the cell containing the text which you'd like to modify. So let's take a look at an example and apply each of these formula in our example. The financial analyst exported data from the company's ERP system containing product descriptions and credit dealer branch locations. The product description raw data exported in capital letters, and the card dealer branch location was in lowercase format. The financial analyst wants to cleanse the data for presentation purposes before meeting with management. The card dealer branch locations should have a capital first letter, and the product descriptions are supposed to be in lowercase. So if we take a look down here at our solution, we can see the original raw data in columns C and D, and the revised data using the formula that we have in columns E and F. So in column E, we took the data from column A and then applied the lowercase formula. So if you look at cell E34, you'll see that we used equals lower, open parentheses, cell C34, which is sedan, and then close parentheses. If you look at cell E35, we've converted the convertible text into lowercase using the lower formula. And we've done that for every row thereafter in column E. Similarly, we've applied the proper formula in column F for the car dealer branch locations. So we've used the formula equals proper, open parentheses, and then cell reference. For instance, in cell F34, we've used the formula equals proper, open parentheses, D34. In cell F35, we've used the formula equals proper, open parentheses, cell D35, closed parentheses. And what it's done is it's capitalized the first letter of each of the words. And we've copied that formula down. As you can see, all of column F now has proper capitalization. Now, the other formula that we could use is the upper formula. It's not shown here, but if I want to type in equals upper in cell F30 and then reference cell F35 for California, I can make it all uppercase. And as you can see, that worked, and the whole word is now in uppercase text. I could also apply that to a sentence. So let's say that I wanted to make the entire sentence in cell C28 in uppercase. I could just type in equals upper and then reference cell C28, and it'll actually change the whole sentence to be in uppercase. So as you can imagine, this can come in handy if you're working with a large set of data and you need to change the capitalization of the words. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.